So the SFC6s have just been released. Let's take a look at the all new improvements we've made compared to the last model. So as you can see on the SFC6s, the wheels are slightly smaller, same width but an 8-inch diameter wheel, different tread compared to the last model as well, so it will tackle terrain much better in my opinion. So in our new model, the tread is moulded into the wheel itself, so it's going to be much more hard wearing. So in our previous model we had a few complaints that our rear axles were actually bending when near max capacity. So check out what we've done to help improve that. We've added 2 new steel rings on top of the rear axle supports to help stability and even help with the low capacity. On our SFC6 we've added an all new rear axle support brace to help distribute the weight across the whole cart for when the tailgate is down. So with all these improvements, the folding cart still folds super easy, so you can just dash it in your car as simple as you like. For all you festival goers, beach goers and even fishermen, you name it, this cart's got it covered. Still coming with the fold out base and then the zip up cover for free as well. So if that's turned your head, click the link to get yours from momagic.co.uk. Thanks for watching.